Okay, today is your lucky day. I just found out about an underrated TikTok niche where people make at least $1,498 a month with the TikTok Creativity Program. This niche is not competitive at all. I'm 100% sure that this is the first time you are hearing about this niche. The crazy thing is, creating videos for this niche is really simple. It won't take more than 10 minutes to create a video for this niche. Within the next 7 to 8 minutes, I will reveal this secret niche and show you how to make content for this niche with the power of AI. Before that, I would like to thank you guys for supporting my channel and helping me to get 20,000 subscribers within 4 months. It really helps me a lot and motivates me to make more videos. I'm planning to make a video about how I started my YouTube journey with this new channel from A to Z and share all my knowledge with you. If you like that, please comment, "Yes, we want." I will make that video as soon as possible. This is the only channel I found related to this niche. If you look closely, they have uploaded 148 videos. Every video has more than 50,000 views. Some of them even have more than 1 million views. Most importantly, all of these videos exceed the 1-minute duration limit, which means all videos are making money through the TikTok Creativity Program. Let's do a quick math. If we take the average views as 60,000, we already know that TikTok pays $1 for every 1,000 views, so if we multiply 60,000 by 148 and divide it by 1,000, we will get an approximate amount for total income. As you can see on the screen, the value is around $8,800. It's a good amount. I will call this niche What If. What we are going to do is we are going to make scenarios about what if this happens, what if that happens. Let's see some examples. What if the sun disappears tomorrow? What if dinosaurs come back to Earth again? Or what if people actually turn into zombies due to a virus? Stuff like these are related to this niche. I know what you are thinking now. You are thinking that how the hell am I supposed to know about these things? Don't worry about that. I got you. Let me first break down the all steps for you. First, we will create a script. Then, voiceovers. Don't worry. You don't have to use your voice. This can be done using AI. Third step is generating videos and images. Finally, we will edit all the materials using free video editing software. Let's start the process. For this example video, my topic is going to be what if, or what would happen if all bees disappear from Earth. I think this one is an interesting topic to make a video about. First, let me show you the final result. Then we can go through step-by-step process.
What if all the bees disappear from the world? Imagine waking up one day to a world without the gentle hum of bees. No busy buzzing around flowers, no diligent pollination. Flowers, fruits, and vegetables begin to disappear. Why? Because bees play a crucial role in pollination, transferring pollen from one flower to another, allowing plants to produce fruits and seeds. No more apples, strawberries, or avocados. The grocery store shelves start to look barren. Farmers face devastating losses as their crops fail without the assistance of these tiny pollinators. And it's not just about the food on our plates. The entire ecosystem would be thrown into disarray. Bees contribute to the biodiversity of ecosystems. Without them, many animals that rely on these plants for food and shelter would face extinction.
Let's start with the first step, which is creating the script for this video. We are going to use ChatGPT and Google Bard. It's actually Gemini now, because Google rebranded their AI to Gemini. We can compare which AI generates the best script and then use it for our video. First, I'm going to try ChatGPT. Let's see. Here is what the prompt will sound like. Create an interesting video script for the topic. What would happen if all bees disappear from Earth? Make it simple. It should be easy to understand. Video duration should be around 1 minute. Use the starting sentence of this video as, what if all the bees disappear from the world? Let's generate this. So, if you read this script, it's actually really good. It includes all the details we wanted. Now, let's compare this with Google Gemini AI. Just copy the same prompt and click Generate. Okay, we have the second script now. After reading both scripts, what I realized is, the script from the ChatGPT is way better than this. But, if you think Google Bard did a better job, you can use it. For this example video, I will go with the first script, which was generated by ChatGPT. The next step is to create voiceovers for the script we created. 11 Labs is one of the best and most realistic text-speech AI voice generators. There are a lot of AI voices in 11 Labs. You can even clone your voice with this, so you don't have to worry about buying expensive equipment for voice recording. And most importantly, you can monetize your videos using this voices. You can sign up for free. It will give free 10,000 characters. Now, let's check several AI voices and select a suitable one for this video.
Trust yourself. You know more than you think you do.
This one is good for historical videos. Not for this one, let's check another one.
Allow the world to live as it chooses, and allow yourself to live as you choose.
I don't think this one is suitable either. If you click this Add Voice button and click Voice Library, you can get access to more voices. By selecting suitable keywords from this top menu, you can get voices related to each category, so I will select social media. Let's check this voice.
Experience is not what happens to a man. It is what a man does with what happens to him.
This is really good. Let's add it to the Voice Lab. Okay, now we can select this AI voice called James from this list. Now all you need to do is copy and paste the video script part by part, like this. Make sure to double check the grammar. After you add the text, click Generate. It will create your voiceovers within several seconds. Let's hear it.
What if all the bees disappear from the world? Imagine waking up one day to a world without the gentle hum of bees. No busy buzzing around flowers, no diligent pollination. Flowers, fruits, and vegetables begin to disappear. Why? Because bees play a crucial role in pollination, transferring pollen from one flower to another, allowing plants to produce fruits and seeds.
This sounds 100% realistic. This is why I love 11 Labs. Within just several seconds, we were able to generate a voiceover, create voiceovers for all the parts in the script. Second step is done. For the third step, we need to make suitable images for this TikTok video. Leonardo AI is one of my favorite text-to-image generators. You don't need to buy the subscription for this. They will give 150 free credits every day. That's more than enough of 3 videos. So, let me explain how this works. So all these images are actually AI models. If you look carefully, each one of them has different characteristics. First, you should decide which type of images you are going to use for your videos, then select a suitable AI model based on that. For this video, I would like to use cartoon and art style images, therefore this AI model would be good. So, if you look closely, you will be able to see the prompt that they have used to make this specific art. You can get a clear idea about the AI model from it. Then, click Generate using this model. It will bring you to this page. These images are some of the images that I generated previously, just ignore them. You can change the size of the images using these dimensions. These specific numbers represent the number of artworks. So, in this case, I will need only one image for each scenario. Now, all you need to do is explain your image in this prompt. As for the first image, I will explain it like this. Earth, trees, dead bees, bees flying, vector style. Let's try these words. This is nice. Let's try planet Earth instead of Earth. Wow, this is even better. Let's generate the next image. I will add a sentence like a world without bees. See how easy it is to make these images. Just like this, create images for your whole script. This will take several minutes. Read your script correctly and generate the correct images. Make as many images as you can. It will improve the quality of your content. After that, all we need to do is edit these and create the final output. To edit all these, you can use either Adobe Premiere Pro or CapCut. For this example, let's use CapCut. It's a free video editor, and you can download it to your mobile or computer. After you download it, follow these steps. First, start a new project and select a suitable size for your video by clicking this Modify button. Select 9:16 ratio. Then import all the voiceovers and images to this. Now, drag and drop the voiceovers to the timeline one by one in the correct order. This process is very simple, anyone can do it. After that, drag the suitable images on top of the voiceovers like this. Make sure to add a suitable image according to the script. Use as many images you want. This will take several minutes, but it's really simple. We can improve the quality of this content by adding animation to this images. Click the animation in the side menu and select Combo. You can find this animation called Pendulum. It will make this swing animation and add this effect to all the images. After that, if you want, you can add video effects like these. It depends on you if you like just add a few effects like this. Finally, let's add captions. Go to Text from the top menu and select Auto Captions. Make sure to connect your computer to the internet and generate captions. Within a few seconds, it will generate the captions. Now you can edit these captions using this side menu. Let's increase the text size and add some text effects like this. Lastly, select all the text layers like this and go to animation again. Then select captions from the top menu. And select this effect. It will add an animation like this for the captions. After that, the video editing process is done. You can export this video and upload it to your TikTok channel. I hope you learned something from this video. I will see you in the next one.